mass oath-taking ceremony and signing of appointments for our newly appointed and promoted teaching positions in the school's division offices of Basilan, Lamitan City, Tawi-Tawi, and Maguindanao del Sur, as well as our newly appointed and promoted non-teaching personnel in the Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education main office. This day is not only about appointments, but about the shared vision. Every teacher we appoint represents hopes for our learners, while every non-teaching staff symbolizes the strong support system that keeps our education machinery moving forward. Together, you are the lifeblood of the ministry's mission to provide inclusive, relevant, and quality education for every Bangsamoro child. Before we officially begin, may I request everyone to give a round of applause to yourselves here in the CSU and of course in Tawi-Tawi, for your families who supported you, and for the momentous milestones we are celebrating today. Again, palakpakan po natin ang inyong mga magulang at kung sino man ang sumuporta sa inyo. And even though sa Tawi-Tawi, I hope pumapalakpak din sila ngayon. We are truly privileged to be joined by our distinguished officials who have made this event possible. Their leadership and dedication continue to inspire us to move forward with courage and determination. As we gather here today in this momentous occasion, it is only fitting that we begin with a prayer. We are here to celebrate success, but more than that, we are here to acknowledge the one who makes all things possible, the Almighty Allah. Every appointment, every blessing, and every opportunity we receive is a gift from Him. And so, before we proceed with our program, let us take this time to humble ourselves, to seek His guidance, and to offer Him our gratitude. To lead us in our opening prayer, may we call on Ustaz Harun Isabla, the head of the Information Technology section.
فدعوا واستجب لكم آمين يا رب العالمين. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. اللهم أصلح لنا ديننا التي هو عصمة أمرنا، وأصلح لنا دنيانا التي فيها معاشنا، وأصلح لنا آخرة التي فيها معادنا، واجعل الحياة زيادة لنا في كل خير، واجعل الموت راحة لنا من كل شر. سبحان رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
At this moment, may I request everyone to please rise as we give honor to our beloved country by singing the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the Bangsamoro hymn through an audio-visual presentation. and gentlemen, colleagues, and honored guests, today is truly a momentous day. We are not only witnessing the mass taking and signing of appointments, but we are also witnessing history in the making for our beloved MHTE and the Bangsamoro. Behind this celebration is a team of leaders who continuously work to uplift education in BARM. Leaders who envision a system where every learner has the chance to succeed and every educator and public servant has the support they need to thrive. One of those leaders is with us today, a man of dedication, a pillar of service, and someone whose wisdom and guidance continuously inspire us in our mission to improve inclusive, relevant, and quality education to the Bangsamoro people. It is my great honor and privilege to introduce our Deputy Minister. Please welcome with a big round of applause, Haron S. Mili. Sir?
Tipid.
Maraming salamat, Moby. A'udzubillahi minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah bihi nasta'in. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ang aking pagpupugay sa ama ng edukasyon sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, hindi lang ang edukasyon, kundi pati ang BARM mismo. Kung wala IQ, maraming wala tayo. BARMM ngayon. Ang ating mga kagalang-galang na Directors General ng Ministry of Basic Higher Technical Education, ang Director General ng Technical Education and Skills Development, si DG Ruby Andong, ang Director General ng Basic Education, ang ating kapatid na Abdullah Salid Jr. at ikaw man, kaibigan, ay nakikinig dyan sa Tawi-Tawi. Assalamualaikum sa inyong lahat. Ang ating DG ng Higher Education, Sir Marjuni Mali. Ang ating mga Division Superintendent ng iba't ibang division ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Naniniyan dito sa presidential table, si Dr. Tim Sanchez ng Lamitan City Division. Kanina, nakita ko sa opisina rin si Dr. Mayra Mangkabong ng Basilan Division. Ang Division Superintendent ng Maguindanao del Sur, si Dr. Alma Noor, at iba pa mga opisyal na edukasyon sa Bangsamoro. Narito sa ating kasama din si Director Kadon ng BALS sa BAN. Ito si Assistant Division Superintendent ng sila, si Brother Igno Sandala. Iba pa mga opisyal ng Bangsamoro, ang ating mga consultants sa Human Resource Management Division, pinangungunahan po ni Dr. Abbas, Peter Abbas, si Ma'am Fatima Azad. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all our distinguished guests, honored visitors, but most especially our approximately 1,000 newly appointed employees who are about to sign their appointments and take their oath of office this afternoon, na sila ang ating dahilan kung bakit tayo narito ngayon to celebrate their, to signify their entrance to the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education. Una pa man sa na nito ay kinukongratulate ko na sa inyo lahat. Palakpakan natin ang ating kasama. In due time, you will be part of the largest or biggest ministry of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Mindanao. In terms of personnel, na tayo ay na approximately 40,000 na ang Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education, both teaching and non-teaching personnel, and also especially in terms of budgetary allocation. To many of you, if not all, ito ang lifetime achievement ninyo. Bakit? Sapagkat wala pa nung nasa elementarya kayo, nasa sekundarya kayo, tumundok kayo ng college, ay nasa inyong mga dugo na ipursu ang inyong mga kurso sa edukasyon para isang araw ay maging kayo ang mourner of the younger mind of our generation of Bangsamoro. Again, congratulations for choosing such a profession na gagawa ng ating mga future professionals, future lawyers, future doctors, future engineers. Kundi kayong mga guro ay maaaring magkulang tayo ng mga professional dito sa Bangsamoro. Continue your passion to serve the Bangsamoro. Your passion to make professionals out of you na hindi pare-pareho ang pagkakataon. Mayaman man, mahirap ay magiging professional sa ating future Bangsamoro. Ito ang challenge ko sa inyo ngayon. As I end my short remarks, welcome you. I challenge you to live up to the expectations of the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education. Live up to the expectation and continue your passion to serve the Bangsamoro in the fleeting life of the Bangsamoro through education. Kasi ang edukasyon, once na-achieve natin, ay isa po yan liberating force para sa ating lahat. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you very much. Shukran to our Deputy Minister for those inspiring and motivating words. Indeed, your message is a powerful reminder that today's ceremony is not the end of a journey, but the beginning of a greater responsibility. Colleagues, let us carry with us the Deputy Minister's challenge.